हेलो एवरीवन, मैं राज कुमार स्वागत करता हूँ आपका एसएम कॉलेज की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, in last video we discussed the types of sentences, and in that video we already have discussed two kinds of sentences which were assertive. The first one was assertive and the second type which we discussed was yesterday we discussed assertive sentence and interrogative. Let's have a short revision. Assertive. Assertive has two types: positive and negative. We can say assertive is the combination of positive and negative sentences, and formulas were subject, active verb, main verb, and object. And the negative one has active verb, not, main verb, and object. And this is sentence ends with full stop. Remember this thing: assertive sentence ends with a full stop. And yesterday we got to know that not has a special place in the formula. Its number is third. Okay guys, positive and negative. Then let's move on. Interrogative. Yesterday I told you close-ended and long-ended. The formulas were helping verb, subject, main verb, object, and question mark. Quote mark, question mark. It means interrogative sentence is going to end with question mark, and long-ended will have WH word, which is known as question word. Yesterday I told you there are 9 kinds of question words in English: WH word, helping verb, subject, main verb, object, and question mark. Objects can be two in a sentence, and after object, if you find anything which seems like an object, can be object complement and adverb. In this segment, we are going to discuss the third type of sentence. We have already discussed assertive and interrogative. Let's move on the third. Imperative. What sentence we are going to discuss today? Imperative sentence. What kind of expressions we are going to learn through this sentence? The first one is command. Is known as order, then request, suggestion, proposal. These expressions are being discussed in imperative sentences. Let's have some examples of each. Here we go. Dear students, if you are to command someone, we are going to use this formula: verbs first form and object. Then object can be used command and order. Guys, play chess. We are giving an order to second person: play chess. Stop. Stop it. बंद कर दीजिए. Stop it. If I am to say get out, with the help of this formula, these sentences are being created. Now, you can say, if you are to command an order in a positive way, actions first form then object. The second formula of this sentence is don't equals first form then object. Don't plus actions first form then object. Hindi of these sentences are like play chess, chess खेलो, शतरंज खेलो, Now we have to deny, मना करना. We are going to prevent someone to do something. हम रोकने वाले हैं, डिनाई करने वाले हैं कि ये काम जो करने के लिए बोला गया है अब आपको नहीं करना है. Don't play chess. चेस ना खेलें. Don't run. दौड़े नहीं. Don't run. Is the example of imperative sentence. Order and command are done. Now it's the turn of request. जब कभी आपको request, whenever you are to request someone, just use these two words. Please or kindly. Please or kindly. Then your first form is object. Easy है? It's easy ना? जहां आप ऑर्डर दे रहे थे वहां आप रिक्वेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. प्लीज कम इन. प्लीज कम इन. प्लीज सिट डाउन. ऐसा ही आप डोंट के साथ कर सकते हो. प्लीज डोंट प्ले चेस. प्लीज डोंट रन. लेट्स मूव ऑन सजेशन. Suggestion has different kind of formula with this word. Let, object, first form, then objective form of something. It's objective form of personal pronoun. Okay? Suggestion. आप ये भी कर सकते हो. Let's. एक डेरिवेटिव होता है let us का. क्या होता है? let us की शॉर्ट फॉर्म होती है let us. जब भी let us से सेंटेंस बनना है तो आप गोइंग टू गिव अ प्रपोजल और सजेशन. लेट्स प्ले. चलो खेलते हैं. चलो खेलते हैं. लेट्स एंजॉय द पार्टी. लेट्स एंजॉय द पार्टी. Students, this is the imperative sentence for you. We have discussed how to command, how to request, how to suggest, or how to propose with examples of these formulas. The first formula is verbs first form plus object. Second one is don't plus verbs first form then object. And the third one is please with the initial words of please and kindly, which shows request. Please and kindly, then verbs first form then object. And the last one is let plus objective form of personal pronoun. Another example of it. Let him sleep. उसे सोने दो. उसे सोने दो. It's a kind of advice. It's a kind of advice. It's a kind of request. Let him sleep. Let's move on the fourth kind of sentences. Let's move on the fourth kind of sentences. The fourth one is objective sentence. Objective sentence. Dear students, ये जो sentences बनेंगे ये बनेंगे with the help of this word. में क्या है? It's a model. मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. मॉडल की एक स्पेशल बात है क्योंकि उसके साथ हमेशा एक्शन की कौन सी फॉर्म आएगी? फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगी. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. विद द मॉडल वी यूज ओनली एक्शंस फर्स्ट फॉर्म एंड इट इज प्रूवेबल. आई कैन प्रूव. राइट. विल हैव. वी ऑलवेज यूज हैव विद द मॉडल. may have. Why don't we use will has, will have? Because these are going to be wrong. Modal has a special or a unique thing about it. Only first form will be used with modal. Has is the sixth form of verb and has second and third. Head verb second and third form and has is third form. And rule is modal plus verbs first form. मे की हेल्प से सेंटेंस बनने वाले विद द हेल्प ऑफ मे। दो बातों को हम डिस्कस करने वाले इसमें। पहला है विश। इफ यू वांट टू विश समवन, कामना करना चाहते हो, देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ विशेस you can get from your elders, from your well wishers. The first one is, may you live long. You all have in your life have got this kind of wish. Someone have wished you this kind in this life. May you live long. आपकी उम्र लंबी हो। May you always be happy. In this way, we can learn the use of may, how to wish someone, and this kind of sentences are going to call optative sentence. And the second one is curse. अभिशाप और घोषणा भी कर सकते हो। Like whenever someone is totally offended with someone, offend, नाराज हो। If you annoyed someone, अगर आप किसी को नाराज करते हो, परेशान करते हो, ठीक है, कर्स यू, वो आपको अभिशाप दे सकता है, कर्स कर सकता है। कर्स किस तरीके से होंगे? May you rot in hell. May you rot in hell. जब आपके लिए बुरी कामनाएं की जाए कहलाएगा कर्स। यहां मैंने कहा है रोट, सड़ना, हेल नर्क। तुम कहां सड़ोगे? नर्क में सड़ोगे। इट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग। जब बात अच्छी ना हो कर्स, जब बात अच्छी हो विश। तो हम समझ चुके हैं कि ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस में कामनाएं की जाती है जो आपके लिए अच्छी होगी और बुरी होगी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स डिस्कस द लास्ट काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, द लास्ट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस, द फिफ्थ। Distress, exclaim, आश्चर्यचकित होना। आश्चर्यचकित आप बहुत तरीकों से हो सकते हो। फिर आपको अच्छा लगा है, आप बहुत खुश हो, आप बहुत दुखी हो, तो आपके द्वारा सडन फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस की जाएगी। यही बात हम कर चुके हैं जब बात हमने की थी इंटरजेक्शंस की। किसकी बात की थी? इंटरजेक्शंस की। जब बात हो सडन फीलिंग्स की, और हम उसे एक्सप्रेस भी कैसे कर रहे हैं? सडन तरीके से। आई हैड नो आइडिया, जस्ट ट्राई टू गेट माई इलिस्ट्रेशन। आई हैड नो आइडिया दैट माई ब्रदर इज गोइंग टू सरप्राइज मी ऑन माई बर्थडे। I had no idea that my brother is going to surprise me on my birthday. When I reached home, I got to know that my brother gifted me an iPhone. I was totally surprised. I exclaimed with this word, hooray. I exclaimed with this word, hooray. मजा आ गया, okay. But when he gifted me, next day I lost it. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा। अल्लाह, जब मुझे बुरा लगा, अच्छा लगा, किसी ने मुझे शाबाशी दी, तो उसके मुंह से निकला ब्रेवो। कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन निकला? ब्रेवो। तो सडन फीलिंग को शो कर रहा है और सडन तरीके से एक्सप्रेस किया जा रहा है। तो सीखते हैं कुछ सेंटेंसेस। एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस की। What a beautiful car is it? What a beautiful car is it? कितनी सुंदर कार है, कितनी सुंदर कार है। अगर मुझे किसी कार को देख के सडन फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस करने का मौका मिला क्योंकि वो कार मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, तो मैंने कह दिया व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल कार इज इट, कितनी सुंदर कार है। हाउ फुल he is, how full he is. I have got many friends and one of friend does observe things. You can't understand him easily. Whenever he repeats his behavior, I'm like, how fool he is. कितना मूर्ख है, कितना मूर्ख है. And this is how we have discussed all kinds of sentences. So dear students, there are 5 kinds of sentences which we are going to discuss in our course, especially when we discuss narration, speech, which is known as speech, then passive voice, and in tenses we only discuss 4 kind of sentences: positive, negative, interrogative and intro-negative. And after that, in narration we will discuss 5 kind of sentences. Assertive sentence, in that we have 2 parts, positive and negative, and the second one is interrogative. In interrogative there are 2 kinds, starting with HV, and the second one will start with question word, and the third type of sentences is optative sentences, the fourth one is imperative, and the last one is exclamatory sentences. Dear students, if you like the video, please hit the icon bell. Dear students,